In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade through Triple Katana TTK in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The true Triple Katana, known as the TTK, is going to be a mythical weapon in Blox Fruits. In order to acquire this, you will need to bring various different swords to the sword dealer, and eventually you can get the necessary materials to upgrade it. So for this video, I'm going to be focusing on the upgrade of this weapon. However, I'm still going to talk briefly about how to acquire it. So to acquire this, you will need to locate the legendary sword dealer in the second sea, and you need to purchase each of the legendary weapons, so the Saishi, Shizu, and Orochi. Each sword costs 2 million, in total 6 million for all of them. After that, you need to obtain at least 300 mastery on each of those 3 swords, travel to the green zone, and a mysterious man will sell you the true triple katana for 2 million more, with all of those 3 swords at mastery 300, so in total 8 million. After you acquire it, however, you will be able to upgrade, so just like all other weapons available in Blox Fruits, you need to bring it to a blacksmith, available on any on the seas. So these are the materials needed for you to upgrade the true triple katana, granting you 13% more damage. So you are going to need a dragon scale, mystic droplet, and ladder. For the first one, the dragon scale, you can acquire it from dragon crew members. So you have the archer and the fighter. By defeating them, you can get 5 of these dragon scales. Next, the mystic droplet. This one will drop from sea soldiers and water fighters, and you will need 20 of them, so they can be found here. And finally, you need leather. You will need 50 leather. This is a very common material, primarily dropped by pirates. However, you can also acquire it from brutes, gladiators, mercenaries, marine captains, and others. And when you bring all of these materials to a blacksmith, you will be able to upgrade your TTK. I hope I was able to help you on how to upgrade through Triple Katana TTK in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.